Whoa! I made you calm down with the problem. Calm down.
She's now getting recorded.
You better keep up a bit.